How's it going, guys? This will be a review of the Dayan Guhong Stickerless Speed Cube. I got this a few days ago and I've just been carrying it around in my pocket and it's pretty fast. You can adjust the tension on these middle pieces right here. Not much to say about it. It's really crisp. If you would compare it to a Rubik's Cube, like a petroleum jelly Rubik's Cube, it's not even in the same category. It's really crisp. It's really easy to move, cuts corners pretty well. Reverse cuts almost 45. For my cube, it's not quite 45, but yeah, this cube's pretty damn good. I got this for around $8 on Amazon. Felt like it was worth it. Some things I don't like about this is that whoever put this together kind of did it poorly. Let's see if you can get that. Like, you see that? It's just kind of not the best, like, system put together, but, like, what can you say? I'm not the person putting it together, so they tried their best. There's some few spots on it, though, that have really, like, caused me trouble. I had to sand down this part over here, because when I got it, let's see if it will focus, but when I got it, it was, had some excess plastic sticking out, and I would give this probably a 10 out of 10, mainly for how I got it out of the box. I finally adjusted it to my tension that I wanted it to be tensioned at. And you see right there when I cut that corner, it was pretty close, but it did it. This is just a Rubik's Cube to help increase my times and just play around. I've been trying to find some good methods, or some different methods to solve the Rubik's Cube, and I can't really find any good YouTube websites or YouTube videos, or any websites that really show me different ways to solve it besides how you solve a regular Rubik's Cube. And that just kind of bums me out. I really want to learn some new ways to speed solve, and if you guys have any ideas, hit me up. Dayan Speed Cube.